welcome back to another episode of Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today we are going to be making these cookies, and they're actually a great value brand. They have a bunch of different kinds of these cookie kits at the store, and I took a few shots for you guys because they seriously had so many cool kits. I seriously wanted to try all of them, but I figured we would start with this one and see how good it is. And if you guys like what's going on my head right now, just the little hair pieces and the earrings, stick around to the end of this. We're going to do a giveaway. I made another set of all of this stuff. They are a great value brand, so they come from Walmart. And when I first saw these kits, they were $5 each, and I was a little put off by the price because a box of cookie mix costs way less than $5. But as I started to look at the cookie boxes a little bit more and see everything they included, it really did start to seem like a good deal to me, because about half of the boxes came with a cookie cutter in it, and I would say about half of the boxes come with icing or sprinkles, just something extra to put on top of it. Some of them were more boring than others, but for the most part, they all seemed like a really great value. Let's see what comes in our kit. One bag of cookie mix, sprinkles, and icing. Our first instruction is preheat oven to 350, grease baking sheet with cooking spray. So for this recipe, we're going to need 4 tablespoons of room temperature butter and 1 egg to mix with our cookie mix. Cookie mix, and an egg, and then 4 tablespoons of butter. All right, so we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, and we're just going to mix this up. Smells like a brownie mix at this point. Now that our batter's mixed, it says to split this into 14 balls placed on cooking sheet 2 inches apart. We are ready to put our tray in the oven, and then we will come back to ice everything when I pull these out. So I just pulled our cookies out of the oven. They were in there for about 10 minutes. The package said 9 to 11. So now all we have to do is make our icing, and as I read further on the box, I realized that we need powdered sugar, and this is not the actual icing mix. This is just something for the icing mix. I don't know what it is. I'm assuming something that will make it harden quicker. 2.5 tablespoons of water. I eyeballed it. Our icing mix, which honestly just looks like powdered sugar. It smells like flour though. Then we need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Mix this together. All right, so I pulled our cookies out of the oven and let them sit to cool down for a little bit, and now we're just gonna dip them in our icing and put them on this wax paper to dry. Not bad. All right, so our cookies are completely dipped in our icing, and it's kind of dripping off the sides, so I'm glad I put down a piece of paper. And all we have left to do is put on our sprinkles. So at first, I was a little bit dissatisfied with the thickness of the icing. I felt like you could see the chocolate cookie through it a little bit, but the little spots that you could notice before, you honestly can't notice once the sprinkles are on it. They just add a lot more color. While we let these dry, I just wanted to let you guys know about our giveaway that we have going on. And what we have to win is this 3 set of Christmas earrings, and they're the same earrings I'm wearing right now. Also a 10-pack of these little hair barrettes that I have in. When I made them, I was thinking of this design in mind, so they're kind of random, but they look really, really nice around a bun, and there's just a lot you could do with them. Both of these will be for our giveaway winner. To enter, all you have to do is leave a comment down below with either your email address or your Instagram so I can get a hold of you if you're the winner. I'll be picking our winner 7 days after this video is uploaded. These are hair clips, and there's just 2 per clip. And then these are the earrings. Our finished cookie product. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. We will see you next time.